Kasi ito po ay, hindi naman po ito bakasyon, kundi po ito ay religious pilgrimage. Ika nga, nakasaad po doon sa Quran. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Senator Erwin Tulfo. Pwede nyo na po ituloy. Opo.
Thank you very much po, mga mahal naming senators. Yung tungkol po sa Al-Haramain po, actually po, sa 2024, sila po yung accredited agency, travel and tours, na nag-produce ng highest numbers of Hajj and Umrah. Because they pay the amount imposed upon by NCMF, the 330,000 more or less. However, in 2025, dahil sila ay nag-collect ng murang payment of Hajj, 80,000 or 100,000 or below, hindi po sila nabisahan ng NCMF kasi po, hindi sila nagbayad kung anong gusto ng NCMF. Kaya po, pag ma-privatize po ang Hajj, ay pwede po makalusot yung mga murang Hajj, yung sinasabing packages. Kaya po, may problema tayo dahil po sa nuances. Ng NCMF ay acted as quasi-travel and tours and quasi-service provider despite the fact ang nakalagay sa Republic Act 9997, ang pwede lang nila i-collect ay yung mutawif, na ang nakalagay dito yung mutawif or masaer ay 942. Ito po ang pwedeng i-collect ng NCMF. Samantala, nangungulikta sila ng $3,300. So ito po ay violation sa ating existing law. Kaya ang 9th Congress, during our hearing, the 9th Congress, the Committee on Account recommended the filing of criminal, administrative, or civil case against the concerned NCMF officials. Kaya po, we are asking this body to enact for the immediate enactment of this law in order to prevent these annual Hajj issues. Considering that despite the continuous Hajj scammers, no one of these scammers has been placed in prison. No one of them has been accountable, has been made accountable by the NCMF, despite the existing of plenty of legal team, despite the existing of many lawyers. No victim of the Hajj has been given justice. That is why we are asking this honorable body for the immediate privatization of the Hajj so that we can enjoy our freedom of religion and the exercise thereof. If it is given plainly to the travel and tours, then the travel and tours will be held accountable if there is a lapses of the Hajj. Because this travel and tours has contingency fund to solve the problem or has a revolving fund to pay in advance in order to avail of the promo of Hajj, then the NCMF has no contingency fund or revolving fund to use by the Hajj. That is why,
Attorney,
yeah.
pasensya na po, wala po kami oras. Lipat lang po kami doon.
Thank you very much.
Opo.